Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Cypon syrup, weak coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Geno Pharmaceuticals, Ltd. Cypon syrup. Uses. Cypon syrup is used as an appetite stimulant. It helps increase hunger and is commonly used in people experiencing loss of appetite. Benefits. Cypon syrup is a combination of medicines that increases hunger by constantly increasing the energy requirements of the body. It promotes the desire to eat and provides a safe and effective way to manage undernutrition or malnutrition. The medicine helps treat loss of appetite and improves the overall nutritional status of the individual. Side effects. Like many medicines, Cypon syrup may cause some side effects in certain individuals. Commonly reported side effects include constipation, dryness in the mouth, drowsiness, sleepiness, and blurred vision. If any of these side effects persist or worsen, medical advice should be sought. How to use. Take Cypon syrup in the dose and duration advised by your doctor. Check the label for directions before use. Measure the syrup with a measuring cup and take it by mouth. Shake the bottle well before use. Cypon syrup may be taken with or without food. How it works. Cypon syrup is a combination of 3 medicines, cyproheptadine, tricholine citrate, and sorbitol. Cyproheptadine works as an appetite stimulant by reducing the effect of serotonin in the hypothalamus, the part of the brain that regulates appetite. Tricholine citrate removes bile acids from the body. The liver then produces more bile acids using cholesterol, which helps lower cholesterol levels. Sorbitol acts as the syrup base and also works as an osmotic laxative that helps relieve constipation.